Hello everyone. So in today's class we are going to learn trick how to learn the formulas of trigonometry. So for that first I'm going to draw a right angle triangle. As we all know that trigonometry formulas we have to learn in a right angle triangle. Let me label this. Let it be A, B, C. So clearly this triangle is right angled at angle B, means angle B is 90 degree. So in my previous video, and I'll share the link in the description box also, in which I have told you in details how to find the formula for sine, cosine, tangent, and for cot, cosec, and sec. Now I'm going to tell you, every time you will not find it out. Okay, the easiest way when you have to do long questions, the easiest way to learn it. So I'm writing simply one thing, and just you have to remember that. I'll tell you its short form also. But before coming to this, let me tell you, this is 90 degree angle. So clearly this is the hypotenuse. We all know hypotenuse is the side opposite to 90 degree. And if I'm talking in reference to angle A, then this becomes the adjacent side and this becomes the opposite side. For angle A, this is the adjacent side for angle A, and this is the opposite side for angle A. But if I talk in reference to angle C, now this becomes the adjacent side to angle C, and this is the opposite side to angle C. So clearly the things will change. Okay, so in whatever reference you are talking about, you have to just see which will be the adjacent side in your case and which will be the opposite side in your case. Hypotenuse will remain the same because that will be the side opposite to angle 90 degree. So the important thing which I'm going to tell you, listen carefully. You have to learn only this thing. And what is its for? It's trick to learn. P, B, B, P, H, H, B. Let's learn one sentence. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol. I'm writing it. Okay. Doesn't it sound good? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol. So I have written the initials of this in Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol, PBPHHP. Now your question will be what it has. What is the link between this, between the trigonometry formula? So I'm coming to that. Okay, this stands for sine, this is for cosine, and this is for tangent. So it means sine is P upon H. This is sine. Cosine is B upon H. Okay. Tan is P upon B. Now let's try to understand first these three. P stands for perpendicular, H stands for height. B stands for base, H stands for height. P stands for perpendicular, B stands for base. It means sine of any angle, whether you are asking for A or for C, it will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Let me tell you in this figure, if I am talking about sine of angle A, for sine of angle A, perpendicular is, then this is the side which is opposite to angle A, and hypotenuse will remain the same. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular upon base. So you have learned three. Now you will say, ma'am, what about the other three? The other three are cosec, sec, and cot. So if you remember in my previous video also I have told you cosec is 1 upon sine. 1 upon sine means whatever you have written for sine, just take reverse of that. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse was for sine. So for cosec it will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. For cos you have written base upon hypotenuse, so it will be hypotenuse upon base. And for cot, it was perpendicular upon base, so it will be base upon perpendicular. So if you learn only this sentence, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol, you can remember the formulas for sine, cosine, tan. Again I am telling you, Pandit Badri Prasad, this P and H, this stands for sine, this B and H, this stands for cos, this P and B, this stands for tan. And for cosine, just take cosec, just take the reverse of this. For sec, take reverse of this. For cot, take reverse of this. So I hope it will help you in exam to remember the formulas. Whenever you have to solve the question, just write it down. In the rough space, there is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bol. And then you need not to remember what I have to take sine, what I have to take cosine, and what I have to take cot. Thank you and hope it will help you. Thank you.